G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are going to be talking about the Selector Shaft Seal that's available from Minisport. So this, as I said, is a Selector Shaft oil seal. So you're probably wondering, what is it? Well, the Selector Shaft is what enables the gears to be changed in and out into neutral and into reverse. So this seal goes around there and prevents oil coming out. Now, you can buy this as part of a rebuild or reseal kit, as well as by itself. They also do sell a reseal kit, which has this plus a little plunger that has an O-ring around it. Pretty much, you want to try and prevent oil from coming out. So how you do that is remove the old seal. Once you've removed the selector mechanism from the vehicle, you then remove the seal, you then fit the little tube with the O-ring around there, slide it inside the gearbox, and then fit this seal to prevent any further oil traveling out. So it actually enables two different types of oil seals to seal the selector and prevent it leaking. This is a really easy thing to change, especially when the engine's out. If not, you can do it when it is in the car. As I said, all you need to do is remove the selector mechanism from the gearbox, remove the old seal using a pick, slide the new one in, and away you go. These can go in dry, or you can place a little bit of sealant around the outside of the seal. So guys, once again, I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from this video. Make sure you check out the full range at www.minisport.com.au, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.